want to talk to somebody in charge.
You are not fooling anybody when you say that what happened was a natural disaster.
You're lying.
It was not an earthquake. It wasn't a typhoon.
Because what's really happening is that you're hiding something out there. And it is gonna send us back to the Stone Age.
God help us all.
In 1954, we awakened something.
Well, there's nuclear tests in the Pacific. Not tests.
They were trying to kill it.
You have no idea what's coming.
Can you kill it?
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control. And not the other way around.
A lot of you guys probably thought I fell off, but that wasn't the case. I just fell back. We got a whole lot better. Let's get to it.
So what up, YouTube? Welcome again. We're back again with another edition of Boone Vlog, man. So today, what we're actually en route to do is going to go surprise my kids by picking them up in the new ZL1 Camaro that you've seen me introduce on the channel as of lately. Very excited about this car. It's been a lifelong dream that I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to make this purchase for a while, so I decided to step out on faith and actually go ahead and purchase the car. I'll give you guys a more in-depth tutorial a little later on of the car as we go along. I'll probably do it in the next video or such. I know it's been a while since I've been on or been active anywhere on social media, YouTube or anything, man. But we're back trying to get this content delivered. So I hope you guys are here for the ride as well as I am. It's gonna be one hell of a journey, man. You know, Boone Vlog, we're back better than ever 2022, man. We got the Trans Am, we got the pickup, Dirty Diana, we got the Trans Am, which is Bird. Now we have GODZL1, the ZL1. Man, what a trifecta. And we also have all the bikes, still everything in the store. So man, we got a lot in store for you guys. So man, I just hope you're here for the ride. And I hope you enjoyed the change as much as I am. Because we want to see a whole lot more different avenues and different things. So I'm exposing a whole lot of new content. So man, right now, we're headed down. So let's get their reaction when they see the car for the first time. Stang! Why you ain't got your shoe tied? You had fun today too? Ah! I got something to show you though, Stank. I got something to show you right
car.
here. Huh?
You need a car.
Who told you I had a new car?
Braylon showed me.
Oh. See if you can find it. See if you can point it out to me. Look at him. See if we can spot it real quick. Look both ways. Look left. I mean look right. Look left. Yeah, that's it. You had fun today at school? Oh, yeah, I did. Yep. So how you like? You like it? You like it? You know what kind of car this is? This is a Camaro. A ZL1 Camaro, those things. Okay? We call it GODZL1. Okay? Okay, what you like about it so far? You like anything about it? You don't like nothing about it?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
What on, dude? How's school today, G? You gotta tell me what you think about it. That's it, ain't it? That's ZL, ain't it? More fly, well, I'm telling you, I might get your reaction and stuff, see how you like it. Man, when I say you call fly, dude. Stank is a fast thing. I hit him with stank here, well, I'm telling him on fly.
What around your lip?
I'm telling you. Hey, but see, I'm gonna let you drive it too. You gonna see, you gonna get a supercharger. It's just like the game, man. That four thing. It is. I raced the Hellcat last night. Yeah, I beat him last night. So you tell all your homeboys at school, like, yeah, my daddy car faster than the Hellcat.
I had Sean P up. He supposed to be getting E14, supposed to be getting Camaro too. I had Sean.
Yeah, when we get to the bypass, I'll let you drive it. I won't let you drive it when we're in tune. We just started to put you in touring mode. You don't need all the power. You just trying to drive. Oh, Lord. Okay, put it in drive. We'll let these two go up here, then we're gonna pull on out. Go ahead. You got it. Man, that big breakaway driving that ZL1. Take your time, take it easy, man. Okay, my boy doing good. You doing about 60. All right, then, my boy. Okay, my boy. Well, how does it feel compared to that truck? Do it feel the same like you driving the truck? Would it most of like it's tight or something? That boy driving a ZL1 at 13. 13, man, driving a ZL1, man. You know how many of your partners gonna be able to do this, man? No. But I'm damn sure glad I can share it with you, though. I always cherish your days. You don't got big, nothing. Man, you better got grown, boy. Next thing you know, you be driving. Next thing you know, you gonna need me no more to come pick you up. You don't wanna hang out with me no more. You wanna go to parties, be with your little girlfriend and stuff. You get out them braces from? Where you get them braces from? Like telephone cord, man.
Somebody gave it to me.
I know damn well. Stank sleep. You want to mash on it, don't you? Nah, I tell you what, you can just mash on it, let it go real quick. You see what I mean? Yeah, I can't turn you loose and lift me up like this. You're gonna kill me. You killed all three of them. But you're doing good, though, man. Maintain your speed. Stay focused.
Next morning.
This is the aftermath, and this is what I received on my front doorstep. This shit, look, you can't be serious. But yeah, currently, this is what I'm currently dealing with. Couldn't be more serious. This look like King Kong sat down on my shit. Really? I'm surprised all my product is still intact, but without no further ado, man, start taking it apart, man, see what's all inside of it. Okay, so let's see what we got. Well, there's really no need to take the time out to do the unboxing, because I really wouldn't even call this an unboxing at this point. Shit. Let's see. So these are the tips. Hey man, I always wanted these right here. I've been waiting on these for a minute. I started to buy them separately, but I wanted to wait for them. But with this kit, they came along with it, so man, it was worth the wait. Yeah, you got your tips. These are my mufflers. Just got wet. Oh man. So here's my other muffler. I think here's my X-pipe. The rubber grommets, the hangers that are included. Right here, so everything seems to be intact, even though the box looks like they had sponsored a dog fight. The only thing about these kits, man, is you want to replace some of the hardware because it tend to stretch and they don't seal that good. But overall, good quality. I can't complain with them. I have the same exhaust system on my pickup also. So man, shout out to Speed Engineering. I also have the full length headers, and I'll show you that in 1 minute also. So folks, I must say, one hellified tone. Hellified tone. It's not too loud, ain't too over the top, ain't too raspy. Just right. These Speed Engineers exhaust for the prices. They are budget friendly exhaust system. And you can't beat it. On the inside of the car, you might can hear. Not too much drone, but it might be too loud for some people. Actually, I like it since it's not my daily. It's something I can really get used to. I just love to tone up the car. I haven't had a chance to take it out yet. It still has to be tuned. Yeah, this is one of the few models that we've been making the past couple months that we haven't been posting. Man, I got a lot more content, a lot of other things to show you. Look at what he Rico. Hey, now prep my shit. How far y'all going? I ain't getting that, man. You gonna got them people. I ain't only not like motherfucker like that. I'm telling you. How far y'all going? That ain't gonna get it. Wanna know what the ass kicker, y'all? Oh. Line that big bike up. Well, you don't see no 12, that's over with. Straight on the guy. Go! Oh no! Go! You ready? Cut off. Yeah. Why doing that? That ain't always. So what up, YouTube? I'm back again doing what I do and doing what I do and doing it a bit. Once again, man, I'm back on track. Hopefully, I'm back on track this time. Seriously, like every other time, it's been the same thing. I always say, yeah, I'm back. Then again, I'll be gone. Then I'll be back. Then I'll be gone again. Then I'll be back. Then I'm gone. You see what the problem? You see the problem is? You see like a. Don't hold that against me. But anywho, though, I'm back. I had to change a lot of things up. I made a lot of big strides working on so many different things, so many different avenues. I promised you, I was just like, man, I was going to deliver so much different content this year. But, drop the ball again. Drop the ball again, ain't I'm only a human. What am I supposed to do? Track cars, bikes, video game, RC, paintball. I did something else too. I can't remember exactly. I tried a little of everything. Nevertheless, everything that I've been doing is like it's multiplied like time to that. And we just keep going up. I still have my website going, so you can purchase merch in the near future. I'm working on a lot of different things that you can purchase. Hey, I wanted to mix it up this time, just like I just didn't want to just have the same old bland merch given away that everybody else did. And that was a lot of it. I mean, I lost track of a lot of things. I actually lost the niche and the edge for it simply because I was just getting so frustrated with the saturation of everybody trying to do the same thing. And I'm the type of person, if you go right, I'm gonna try to go left because I don't want to be nothing like you. So now it's at the point now where I'm at a crossroads. So now
I made a vow to myself and vow to the people that subscribe, and that's why my videos to deliver such a different content in a different light. But it's still along the lines of the same things. But you know, we just gonna expand more than ever, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, we're back better than ever, man. Next week, same time this week, I got another video coming. You'll like this one. You'll like this one. Just stay tuned. Turn that notification bell on, man, and tell a friend about the Lives YouTube channel. We're back again, Boone's Vlog. And if you want to purchase this, you can go to www.boonevlog.com and get you a little merch, man. I will be posting new merch. I also have new stickers, decals, shirts, hats, anything, man. I'll go more in depth on that on the next video. But hey, like I said, more than ever, man, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you same time next week. This is another edition of Boone Vlog, live at 5, over and out, and I'm gone.